Freelancing powers today's economy. Millions of people earn a living coding, designing, writing, and building online. But there's a problem. The platforms we rely on, like Upwork and Fiverr, take up to 30% in fees. They hold your payments, control your data, and can shut down your account at any time. That's not freedom. That's dependency. It's time for something new. A freelancing system built for the Web3 era. Introducing ICPWork, the first decentralized freelance protocol, built 100% on-chain with Internet Computer Protocol. ICPWork redefines freelancing by removing middlemen, reducing fees, and restoring control to users. For the first time, freelancers and clients can work directly, trustlessly, and transparently, powered by blockchain. Here's how it works. Blockchain identity, verifiable profiles through internet identity, and credentials you truly own. Escrow Payments, milestone-based releases in ICP, ETH, BTC, or USDC, ensuring freelancers are paid fairly and on time. Reputation system, immutable ratings tied to your wallet address, following you across projects. Encrypted Messaging, secure end-to-end communication. Dispute resolution, DAO, layered arbitration, automated checks, community votes, and expert panels, guaranteeing fairness without corporate bias. Reverse gas, no blockchain fees for freelancers or clients. The protocol absorbs compute costs, making Web3 as smooth as Web2. With ICPWork, there are no middlemen, no extractive fees, no censorship. Just direct, transparent collaboration, and it's borderless. Whether you're a designer in Colombo, a developer in Lagos, or a founder in London, you can connect, collaborate, and get paid instantly without barriers. Behind ICPWork is a world-class team. Darshana Manikuadura, CEO and founder, chairman of the board, serial entrepreneur, venture capitalist, and investor, with 4 startups founded and 2 successful exits. Co-founder and Chief Operating Officer, Piyum Setinayaki, Chief Marketing Officer, Dan Tilson, Chief Technology Officer, Vivek Kumar, Chief Legal Officer, Chief Commercial Officer, Adan Perez, and our dev leads, Shaurya Gupta and Yash Yashuday. Together, we're building the future of work. ICPWork isn't just another platform, it's a protocol. Open, transparent, censorship-resistant, and powered by its community.